XPL's taken a beating, down to 45 cents now. And if you're holding from higher like me, yeah, we're nursing losses. I jumped in at 85 cents, averaged down to 57 cents through the dips, and it stung. But Plasma's fundamentals? They're stacking up fast. Fifth in stablecoin supply in weeks, $50 billion transfers, wallet integrations pulling in millions. No sugarcoating. This dip's a gut check, but my chart says potential bounce up to $2.50 medium term if news holds. I've covered XPL 3 times before. Let's unpack the latest and my updated analysis. Hang tight. Look at this post. In just over 2 weeks, they've hit 5th place in stablecoin supply across chains. Stablecoins are like digital dollars pegged to stay at $1, perfect for everyday transfers without wild price swings. Ethereum leads at $160 billion, then Tron at 77, Solana 15, BNB Chain 13, and boom, Plasma at $7 billion. That's faster than most projects dream of. And after the last correction, I don't think there's any hype here anymore. So it's real traction for a chain built for money moves. Fast forward to their next update. Plasma's processed over $50 billion in USDT transfers since launch, 4th overall, trailing only Tron, Ethereum, and BNB. USDT is Tether, the biggest stablecoin. This means Plasma's handling massive real-world flows, like remittances or trades, without the congestion that plagues older networks. It's the chain for money, as they say, and the numbers back it. Now, this Artemis chart from the last 24 hours shows stablecoin supply changes. Plasma's second highest at around 250 million added, beating Arbitrum, Base, even Tron. Only Ethereum's dip offsets it, but Plasma's green surge, it's definitely fresh capital flooding in. It ties right back to those early posts. Rapid supply growth isn't a fluke. It's daily momentum building a moat against competitors. Shifting to earnings. Binance dropped you can lock USDT in their Aave Plasma product for up to 6.5% APR. Aave is a lending protocol. Think of it as depositing cash for interest, but on-chain with Plasma's speed. No hassle, just steady yields. This integration pulls more liquidity, fueling that supply climb we saw. Oh, and look at that. Plasma is partnering with Trust Wallet, one of the top's non-custodial wallets, meaning you control your keys, no middleman. Over 210 million users now access Plasma's stablecoins seamlessly for buying, holding, or spending digital assets. Stablecoins feel like fintech now, not just crypto toys, integrated into daily wallets for fat earnings and sending. Wrapping the fundamentals before the price analysis, Plasma's latest post hits global demand. Stablecoins could siphon bank deposits from high-risk countries. The graph spotlights China at $39 trillion in vulnerable deposits, then Brazil, India, Turkey, Mexico, Egypt, and South Africa. Plasma's positioning to capture that dollar thirst where fiat wobbles, building rails for reliable transfers in unstable spots. All right, my 12-hour XPL chart. I anchored Fibonacci retracement from September's all-time high at $1.67 to recent lows at 36 cents, 2 wicks down. Fibonacci is a tool measuring pullbacks and expansions. Price often bounces or rejects at these levels, like support magnets. That dashed orange descending trend line from the top rejected early October. Now price consolidates below it, bearish short-term, but a breakout could flip it bullish. Blue lines are 10 and 21 EMAs, exponential moving averages smoothing price trends. XPL's under both, signaling weakness, but watch for a golden cross if it climbs. Green box? My DCA zone, between 40 to 50 cents, dollar cost averaging means buying dips gradually to lower average cost. Price is right there now, prime accumulation with killer risk reward. I'm in from 85 cents, took hits, but averaging to 57 cents feels solid long-term. Red dash line, stop loss, below that, short-term trades invalidate. For my core bag, though, holding through, as I buy the narrative. Reaccumulating at 25 cents if it cracks. Bottom panel, Heikinashi RSI, a smoothed momentum indicator, bounced from oversold with 4 green candles, hinting reversal, though hopium's real. VRVP volume profile on left. Point of control at 85 cents, that pink blue bar's a gravity well pulling price up. Green circles mark my take profits targets. 85 cents, $1.15, 165, and $2.50. Trail stops. Hit first, move to entry for risk-free. Second to first, pyramid wins. Bullish tilt here. Oversold bounce plus news. Could magnet to point of control fast. My honest take is short-term choppy, but long-term. This project's rails scream multi-bagger if adoption sticks. Plasma is not just another chain. It's absorbing real dollar demand with speed no one expected. From $7 billion supply to wallet integrations and yield plays, XPL at 45 cents feels like early days. I've shared my trades openly, losses and wins, because that's the game. What do you think? Bottom in, or more shakeout? Drop your thoughts below. If this sparked ideas, punch the like button, subscribe for more daily yield hunts. Join my free Telegram, link in pinned comment. Oh, and catch my last 2 XPL videos on screen. They tie right in. Never financial advice. See you soon.